Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of desk chair tech accessories, specifically focusing on how they can boost your comfort levels. If you spend a lot of time at your desk, like many of us, you know how crucial it is to have a setup that supports your well-being. Let's explore some tech that can seriously upgrade your desk chair experience. First up, we have lumbar support cushions. These are a game changer for anyone struggling with back pain. Many modern chairs come with built-in lumbar support, but if yours doesn't, or if it's not quite doing the trick, a good lumbar support cushion is a must-have. Look for options with adjustable height and firmness to customize the support to your specific needs. Some even have memory foam, which molds to your back for a personalized fit. Seriously, it's amazing how much difference a little extra support can make. Next, let's talk about armrest upgrades. Armrests are often overlooked, but they play a vital role in preventing shoulder strain and promoting good posture. If your chair's armrests are fixed or don't offer much adjustment, consider adding some aftermarket ones. Look for armrests that are adjustable in height, width, and angle. This allows you to position them perfectly to support your forearms and keep your shoulders relaxed. Some even have a gel or padded surface for added comfort. Trust me, your arms and shoulders will thank you. Moving on to seat cushions. Sitting for long periods can put a lot of pressure on your tailbone and hips. A good seat cushion can help distribute your weight more evenly, reducing pressure points and minimizing discomfort. Look for cushions made from memory foam or gel, which conform to your body and provide excellent support. Some also have a cutout design to relieve pressure on the tailbone. Consider getting one with a breathable cover to stay cool and comfortable, especially during those long work sessions. Now, let's talk tech. There are some smart accessories that can take your chair to the next level. Some chairs now integrate sensors that monitor your posture and remind you to adjust your seating position periodically. These features can be incredibly helpful in developing healthier habits. Another option is a heated or cooling seat cushion. These can be particularly beneficial if you work in an environment with extreme temperatures. They can keep you warm in the winter and cool in the summer, significantly increasing your comfort. Finally, don't forget about the little things. A footrest can make a huge difference in your comfort. If your feet don't comfortably reach the floor, a footrest can provide support and help maintain proper posture. Also, consider cable management solutions to keep your workspace tidy and prevent tripping hazards. And if you're really looking to treat yourself, consider a desk chair with built-in massage functionality. It's the ultimate in comfort and relaxation. So there you have it, some fantastic tech accessories to make your desk chair more comfortable and improve your overall well-being. Remember, investing in your comfort is investing in your productivity and health. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of desk chair tech accessories, specifically focusing on comfort. If you spend hours at your desk like me, you know how crucial a comfortable setup is. Let's explore some gadgets that can seriously upgrade your seating experience. First up, let's talk lumbar support. Many chairs come with built-in lumbar support, but sometimes it's just not enough. Consider a separate lumbar support cushion. They come in various materials like memory foam or gel, providing excellent support for your lower back. Look for adjustable ones so you can customize the support to your specific needs. This is a game changer for preventing back pain and improving posture. Next, we have seat cushions. Even the most ergonomic chair can feel uncomfortable after a while. Seat cushions can add an extra layer of cushioning, and they can also help with temperature regulation. Some cushions are designed to promote airflow, keeping you cool, especially during those long work sessions. Others are designed to relieve pressure points, which can be very beneficial. Moving on to armrest upgrades, which are often overlooked. Many desk chairs have basic armrests that are either too low, too high, or simply uncomfortable. Adjustable armrests are key. Look for armrests that adjust in height, width, and sometimes even angle. This allows you to find the perfect position for your arms and shoulders, reducing strain and improving your overall comfort. Additionally, consider armrest covers made from soft materials for an even more pleasant experience. Now, let's talk about footrests. If you're using a desk that's a bit high, or if you simply find that your feet don't quite reach the floor, a footrest is a must-have. They help maintain proper posture by supporting your feet, which in turn takes pressure off your lower back. Footrests come in various shapes and sizes, from simple, angled platforms to more elaborate designs with massage features. Experiment to find what works best for you. Another important aspect is monitor placement. If your monitor is too low, you'll be constantly looking down, which can strain your neck. Use a monitor stand or arm to raise your screen to eye level. This simple adjustment can make a huge difference in your comfort and reduce neck pain. Make sure your monitor is at an arm's length away. Beyond the chair itself, consider your environment. Good lighting is crucial. If you work in a dimly lit space, your eyes will strain, and you might find yourself slouching. Invest in a desk lamp that provides adjustable brightness and color temperature. Natural light is ideal, but if that's not possible, a well-placed desk lamp can make a world of difference. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of taking breaks. Set a timer and get up every 20 to 30 minutes to stretch and move around. This helps prevent stiffness and fatigue. A short walk around the room, or some simple stretches can do wonders for your comfort and productivity. Remember, your body will thank you. So, there you have it, a rundown of some essential tech accessories for maximizing your desk chair comfort. From lumbar support and seat cushions to adjustable armrests and footrests, there are plenty of ways to create a more comfortable and productive workspace. I hope this helps you upgrade your setup and say goodbye to those aches and pains. Thanks for watching.